Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Infinity English. My name is William, and today we're going to practice English by talking about our homes. This is a beginner-friendly shadowing session, so you can repeat with me slowly anytime you want. You can do this while relaxing, walking, or taking a short break. Don't worry about mistakes. Don't try to be perfect. Just follow my voice and speak with me. Let's begin. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Do you like your home? Do you like your home? Today we will practice talking about our home in English. Today we will practice talking about our home in English. It's a useful topic. It's a useful topic. Talking about your home helps you speak naturally in English. Talking about your home helps you speak naturally in English. I live in a house. I live in a house. Sometimes I live in an apartment. Sometimes I live in an apartment. My home is cozy. My home is cozy. I like my home. I like my home. My house has a living room. My house has a living room. The living room is spacious. The living room is spacious. I have a sofa and a coffee table. I have a sofa and a coffee table. I also have a TV. I also have a TV. My kitchen is clean. My kitchen is clean. I have a fridge and a stove. I have a fridge and a stove. I like cooking in my kitchen. I like cooking in my kitchen. Sometimes I eat in the kitchen. Sometimes I eat in the kitchen. My bedroom is comfortable. My bedroom is comfortable. I have a bed and a wardrobe. I have a bed and a wardrobe. I keep my clothes in the wardrobe. I keep my clothes in the wardrobe. I also have a desk and a chair. I also have a desk and a chair. I have a bathroom. I have a bathroom. I have a shower and a sink. I have a shower and a sink. I keep my towels and toiletries there. I keep my towels and toiletries there. I like my bathroom clean. I like my bathroom clean. Sometimes I have a garden. Sometimes I have a garden. I plant flowers and vegetables. I plant flowers and vegetables. I enjoy spending time outside. I enjoy spending time outside. The garden is peaceful. The garden is peaceful. Let's practice useful phrases. Let's practice useful phrases. I live in a house. I live in a house. I have a bedroom and a living room. I have a bedroom and a living room. My kitchen is big. My kitchen is big. I have a small garden. I have a small garden. My home is cozy. My home is cozy. Let's practice useful phrases. How's your day? How's your day? What do you like to do? What do you like to do? Do you enjoy this place? Do you enjoy this place? I like your bag. I like your bag. That's interesting. That's interesting. Sometimes I ask follow-up questions. Sometimes I ask follow-up questions. I say, really? That's nice. I say, really? That's nice. I say, how often do you do that? I say, how often do you do that? I say, I like that too. I say, I like that too. Follow-up questions help small talk feel natural. Follow-up questions help small talk feel natural. Sometimes I talk about daily life. Sometimes I talk about daily life. I say, I work in an office. I say, I work in an office. I say, I study English in the morning. I say, I study English in the morning. I say, I like my hobbies. I say, I like my hobbies. Talking about daily life is simple and friendly. Talking about daily life is simple and friendly. Sometimes I talk about the weather. Sometimes I talk about the weather. I say, it is hot today. I say, it is hot today. I say, it looks like rain. I say, it looks like rain. I say, the sun is shining. I say, the sun is shining. Weather is a safe topic for small talk. Weather is a safe topic for small talk. Let's practice questions for small talk. How's your day going? How's your day going? Do you like this place? Do you like this place? What do you usually do in the morning? What do you usually do in the morning? Do you like music? Do you like music? Have you seen a good movie recently? Have you seen a good movie recently? Let's practice answers. My day is good. My day is good. Yes, I like this place. Yes, I like this place. I usually read books in the morning. I usually read books in the morning. Yes, I like music. Yes, I like music. I saw a good movie last weekend. I saw a good movie last weekend. Small steps help me make small talk naturally. Small steps help me make small talk naturally. I try to practice phrases every day. I try to practice phrases every day. I feel confident talking to new people. I feel confident talking to new people. Making small talk is simple and easy if I practice regularly. Making small talk is simple and easy if I practice regularly. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Making small talk is fun and very useful for daily conversation. Shadowing helps you speak fluently, clearly, and confidently. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Grow again. I'm William, and this is Infinity English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Bye for now.